Wow. Now, I am certainly not someone who is scared of spiders, but I gotta say that is a creepy-looking creature. This is the first adult white-banded fishing spider I've ever found. I've seen some very small spiderlings before, but I've never encountered a full-grown adult like this. And it was worth the wait. These guys are really interesting. I mean, the most impressive thing about them is their amazing size. Look at that. He spreads, his leg span spreads out almost across my hand. Now, white-banded fishing spiders are a little different than most other fishing spider species because, as their name would suggest, fishing spiders tend to hang around water. They hunt down small fish and aquatic insects by hunting on the water surface. But this species actually is a little more terrestrial. They usually lay flat up against the trunk of a tree, and that is where they set up an ambush for insects, and at his size, he can even bring down a small lizard or a tiny frog. It's not off the menu.